are the bog droll team. We're going to see in 3 bog drollers a spoege who's the best. But for now, Gift is going to put the chappie at the back of your ear. Put this chappie at the back of your ear. He is the judge for the bog droll. Oeh, daar verloor ene. Gee my nog 'n bog drolletjie. Okay, let's see who's going to be the winners between me and RC. Nee. Sharp. RC beet gee en Cindy Trigard. Vat 5. Okay, nou moet jy daai kant staan. Kom ons kyk hier. You are the judge. Stand there. Okay. Ja, jy moet gooi nie. Jy staan so. Sit hom in jou mond, RC.
Weet.
En jy staan so en jy spoeg, hè?
Ek spoeg.
Ek het jou hande agter jou rug. Ek spoeg.
Nee, spoeg.
Okay, there's my first one. Okay, you. Oh, jou bliksem. Jy het jou groter drol in jou mond gehad. Oh, nou moet jy opduik. Okay. Next one.
Yeah.
Go there, I want to see. Outside.
Yeah.
Who was the winner?
It's you.
Cindy.